Coming from the market, I rushed to the market this morning. Good morning to everyone. This is your girl Queen Wine. I rushed to the market. When I see the plantain like this, all this plantain like this. When I say now only for Africa, way expensive. All this plantain like this. As soon as I see like this, the right plantain, eh? And how many plantain? Oh, more than 20. Now you got 17 euros. My sister calculate them for naira. I go see 17 euros. Now this it's too expensive. See pepper. Now see pepper now. Who now they say now all now. For Africa, e expensive. This is €1. Now pepper this for safe and 650. Una dey see am. This coconut na €1.50. Una don see am. That one na 1,000 for safer. Eh? Una don see am. See pear. This 3 pear like this. Now just say the man do one for auction. Say 3 for €5. If no be so, normally the pear, some place they na €3 for one. Now because I go open market and that papa they sell fine. Now €3 so for this one. So one so €4 for some place and for this pair one I see like this. So this one so for some different site you go calculate €4. Then the one go carry €3. How many that? Now €7. How many that? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3. You go be na 11, €12. You dey see am? Na €12. But that papa they sell am for me 3 for €5 for market day. I dey like for buy for the papa because if you go for different shop, even a shop them for house, you see na €4 for the pair, €4. So my people now don't think say things are not expensive. €17. All this plantain like this, €17. My people. Yeah. Okay, look at chicken. Oh, do you not see this chicken? It's like they put promotion. I see this chicken like this. This chicken now it be €12. Now don't see am. Today I say I bring the money the moon they see because na too complain to say now only Africa. We too fair things are not expensive. First time you buy this chicken is like €7. Now they buy for €12. Some places na €15. So now just say I go na market. So my people, take care of yourself for yourself. So this will go take and do juice the whole body together. So thank you for watching. So now maybe Queen is. Hi, and now I say I can't wash them, guys. I want to wash it. I go to wash them with salt, with warm water. I have this sea salt, big grossel, big salt. Go wash them. And I say I'm a big salt with this. Wash the chicken, then steam them, fry them. Carry go. For my grand pikin get small baby. I say I make small fried rice. Then carry and go give am. So now wetin they do today like this. Yes, so I go to wash them. Inside here you get I don't put salt. Keep am for small salt. Meanwhile I go to fry the rice. I don't put salt. So now the chicken this look at. I go to say now only una here.